Hi everyone, my name is Lorena Anitema, or goes by Lena, and I'm here to talk about the importance of eating healthy and exercise daily as a routine, which brings out the beauty of dancing hip hop to beat diabetes type 2, especially in young children and adolescents today. So stay tuned. Diabetes type 2 is a long-term condition resulting in too much sugar in the bloodstream, which leads to the disorder of the circulation of the blood towards the nerve and the immune system of the body. The causes of this disease could be genetic or inherited from family's genes passed along the line, like from parents to children and grandchildren, or from great-grandparents. Another reason could be not eating healthy and exercise daily, which cause the fat with most sugar to sit around your stomach and build up more blood sugar. And sad to say, but the hormone insulin can help it a lot, but just enough to control. Millions of young children and young adults in the Bay Area, heart of California, San Francisco, and Oakland, are diagnosed with diabetes type 2. Some inherited from their family members, but mostly are found to be kids from poor neighborhoods and low-income families. Some are big for their age, and some are too small for their age as well, caused from poorly diet and being unhealthy. As seeing this campaign lit up here in the Bay Area for young children and adolescents to hip-hop against diabetes type 2 really inspire a lot of young kids everywhere to dance to the beat and motivate them to believe in eating healthy and exercise daily. I mean, what more can you give these kids but to help out with the campaign by hip-hop together with them and cheer them strongly to live a healthy lifestyle continuum. Like that saying, health is wealth. Thanks for tuning in and listening. Please rate and share this podcast with your friends. Hope you're living today with great news, so go out there and spread the word of how to help young ones prevent diabetes type 2 ahead. We'll see you next time. Don't forget to comment below, and if you have any questions, feel free to email rina7tema@gmail.com, which is RINA7TEMA@gmail.com.